In integration management knowledge during executing phase, there are two processes. One of this is direct and manage project work. Direct and manage project work is the process of leading and performing the work defined in the project management plan and implementing approved changes to achieve the project's objectives. The key benefit of this process is that it provides overall management of the project work and deliverables, thus improving the probability of project success. This process is performed throughout the project. The desired outcome or output of this process are deliverables, work performance data, issue log, change requests, project management plan updates from any components, project documents updates, activity list, assumption log, lessons learned register, requirements, documentation, risk register, stakeholder register, organizational process assets updates. But how will we do it? Firstly, we need some inputs of the following. Any component of project management plan. You might get confused why it is an output and input as well. Take note, during developing project management plan process and planning phase, we have created the project plan with all components on it. So during execution, there will be changes and need modifications during this stage, and the updates of this becomes the output. Project documents, change log, lessons learned register, milestone list, project communications, project schedule, requirements traceability matrix, risk register, risk report. Like I mentioned, during execution phase you will notice all needed changes and modifications. Need to know the risks, whether threats or opportunities, and the progress of the project. Approved change requests. Enterprise environmental factors. Organizational process assets. Enabled to process all these inputs to gain the desired outcome, we need the following tools and techniques. Expert judgment. Project management information system. Meetings. The PMIS provides access to information technology, IT, software tools, such as scheduling software tools, work authorization systems, configuration management systems, information collection and distribution systems, as well as interfaces to other online automated systems such as corporate knowledge base repositories. Automated gathering and reporting on key performance indicators, KPI, can be part of this system. By these combinations, we will be able to direct and manage project work. Great job! Keep moving forward. See you in next videos.